my God!
Making his way to the ring from Grenoble, France, weighing in at 520 pounds, the eighth wonder of the world, the Giant!
What an unbelievable presence! How do you go undefeated for 15 years? Well, it helps when you're 7'4" and 500 pounds.
And when you are Andre the Giant, you do whatever you...
Look who's here, the Hall of Famer. Bang, DDP.
And his opponent from the Jersey Shore, weighing in at 248 pounds, Diamond Dallas Page!
Hey guys, I've been practicing this. Let me know what you think. Feel the bang!
That was embarrassing. Don't ever do it again.
I thought it was pretty good myself.
Diamond Dallas Page, one of the greatest WCW superstars ever in action tonight.
Here we go, fellas. I've been looking forward to this one for quite some time.
DDP began wrestling at age 35, proving that age is not a hurdle in this industry.
On the other hand, you're older than I am, Saxton. I'm a way better commentator. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Point of the elbow, nailed it. Byron, he's got the sleeper locked in. The sleeper hold is locked in.
This could be it.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Neck breaker.
Oh, nasty fall.
All the way up and around the world.
Crucifix head scissors.
Andre the Giant on the defensive here. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't step in the ring with this guy and walk away completely unscathed.
Andre the Giant had an appreciation for fine cuisine like a 5-star Michelin-rated chef, and knowledge of wines from all over the world that would rival the most sophisticated wine enthusiast. There are also stories of Andre eating 16 steaks and 12 lobster tails in a single sitting at dinner.
Going to be woozy after that impact.
Harsh impact.
WWE Hall of Famer Pat Patterson tells incredible stories of Andre the Giant going from restaurant to restaurant while on the road, enjoying an amazing range of cuisines and wines from one end of the world to the other.
The eighth wonder of the world was known as a connoisseur of the finer things in life, and even owned a restaurant at one point in the historic Canadian city of Montreal. Andre the Giant did it all, and then some.
Nailed it. He gets him with a reversal.
Whoa, distance there.
DDP's career realized another milestone in 2002, this time as a WWE superstar. DDP competed in WrestleMania 18, where he defended the European Championship against Christian. The opportunity for DDP to perform at WrestleMania fulfilled a dream that Page had from the day he decided to enter the world of sports entertainment.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Crucifix head scissor. Ooh, right to the face.
The WWE Universe eagerly anticipated Diamond Dallas.
Pure devastation.
This could be it, guys.
This is DDP's match now.
Digging deep for a kick out.
So resourceful.
Inverted DDT.
Spiked. He'd be smart to stay put there.
Diamond Dallas Page on the defensive.
But it's going to take a lot more than that to stop him here tonight.
If his opponent somehow wins this thing, you could likely go back to this moment as the turning point of the match. When Andre the Giant taunts you, you definitely know it.
And the ref goes down.
We need a new ref out here, fast.
Here's a cover. He kicks out before 3.
Nice kick out there.
Got the reversal. Diamond Dallas Page is measuring.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Crucifix head scissor. Many of the early WrestleMania events were shaped by the colossal presence of the 8th wonder of the world. WrestleMania 2 featured a 20-man over-the-top rope battle royal that featured WWE superstars and players from the NFL. It should be of no surprise that the match saw one superstar left standing, Andre the Giant.
Ooh, right up against his face.
Come on.
Here he goes.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, it's over. That is illustrious.
My gosh.
Supersized elbow drop.
But he's got to capitalize now.
Here's Diamond Dallas Page. This could be it. Ring rattling. What a stomp.
Good grief.
He looks for it once again. Nailed it. You got a feel for Diamond Dallas Page, looking beaten down at this point. He started this match in great health, but now it seems fatigue has set in.
I'm not used to seeing this.
Page is going to have to think positively to get back in this one.
Call your buddies the New Day.
Crucifix head scissor.
Incoming. Andre the Giant in a tough spot. There may be no coming back from this.
Guys, I don't think he possesses the ruthlessness needed to be successful outside of the ring, which really begs the question why he's been out there so much.
Right about now, Andre needs all of that power that he used to crush opponents all over the world. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and he slammed his face right into the barricade. You gotta believe this one's over.
Got him up.
Pure devastation.
Are we really going to see Andre lose here?
This has been a battle. Oh, come on. Don't have it end like this. Let's look back on the action from the last match.
Overall, this match was average at best, but not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Big win, albeit via count out.
Man, I'll tell you, going out like that is a tough pill to swallow.